Hey guys, I am vlogging the birthday party. They messed up on the cake. It was supposed to be bigger, but there it is. That's some of it. This is some more. This is going to be like an assembly project for later. That turned out cute, my centerpieces. And then some games. Everything looks smaller when I'm looking at it through this. The candy bar. Candy. And I'm still not done, but I'm gonna have to wait because people are gonna start getting here soon. Here's just some stuff. And a sign that is super cute. Okay, so when it's all finished, I'll come back and maybe do one more part of it. Thanks for watching.